2 days of sudden explosions. Serial blasts have rocked Lebanon. First pagers, and then handheld radios used by armed group Hezbollah detonated across the country. The walkie-talkie explosions claimed at least 20 lives and left over 450 injured. Amid the chaos, mobile phones and solar energy systems also blew up in several areas. Heavy firing is being exchanged between Lebanon and Israel. The Israel Defense Forces have turned their attention to the northern front. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has declared families who were evacuated from the north would soon be able to return.
I have said it before, we will return the citizens of the north to their homes safely. And that's exactly what we are going to do.
Israel says that the war is entering a new phase. The IDF is moving troops from Gaza to the northern front, where they could target Hezbollah forces stationed in southern Lebanon.
We are opening a new phase in the war. It requires courage, determination, and perseverance from us.
Hezbollah has vowed to retaliate. The US says intense diplomatic efforts are on to prevent an escalation in Israel-Lebanon war.
We still don't want to see an escalation of any kind. We don't believe that the way to solve where we're at in this crisis is by additional military operations.
With both Israel and Hezbollah in war mode, Lebanon could become the new war theatre. Bureau Report, India Today.